Hello there. In this video, I'm gonna tell my early story of countries before I started this series called the country trips. Because I don't have any plan for traveling a new country in this month, because I have so many plans right now, including retro stuff and vehicles and the Lake Balaton itself. So let's see. So the first country I have ever visited is Austria, in Vienna as well, with a total different train. It's also one of the best train called Railjet Express. So we are well visited Vienna at the time. The last time in Vienna is about that concert, and unfortunately I forgot to visit that palace unfortunately and so many places. So I wasted my time very nicely, although it's a very beautiful city. So carry on. The second country is Serbia, North Macedonia is the third one, and Greece is the fourth one, because me and my family are went to vacation to Greece. In the sea land or sort of, sea or something, yeah. So we have to go through a car over 10-hour driving. We able to see Belgrade and actually skipping Kosovo and get through North Macedonia without the capital as well, and then we arrive to Greece. Although the mountains of North Macedonia is amazing. Apparently I forgot which town we had, but I'm pretty sure we are chosen, or shortly we chose an easier one, the closest one. I don't know which one, but that's one of the nice beach in Greece, and sand of course. The food is excellent, ice cream and stuff. The temperature is also good, and salty water. The fifth country is Romania, in Transylvania, on one town, but I forgot which one unfortunately, but it's a little bit closer to Jula for sure, with some caves, mountains, for so many forests, and very good products. Yes, Romania has so many products and shops for sure. And the last country is Slovakia, on Sturovo with my class and the campus from 2019, but only with bus, and haven't got time to, visit the town because we had to go through that road for some reason. So we are able to see it, and that bridge between Esztergom and Sturovo. So these are the countries that I have been traveled. So basically, we know I already completed Slovakia, Austria, Serbia. So Romania, Greece, and Northern Macedonia is not completed yet, but someday it will be. But yeah, so this was my stories for which countries I have been, and hopefully I helped with this video. Thanks for watching.